Ayan, so good afternoon po. I am Josh Aaron Magaway. I am going to present or share our ideas para sa isang restaurant na we managed to interview yung owner nun. Then I was also tasked, or my members also tasked, that we should make a paper prototype for that restaurant that we interviewed. So, ayan po yung gagawin natin for today. I will showcase our made paper prototype. So this is not just a requirement, but an experience for us to make a prototype for our sooner works or jobs in the future. So let's dig in. This is our paper prototype in ITAP 101. I have our professor here, Ma'am Anna Princess Marita. Thank you for giving us this wonderful project. First of all, we have our members and me, myself, and I, Josh Aaron Magaway, Denmar de Maculangan, Joseph Bondad, and Vince Paulo Ananuevo. Ayan po yung mga nakatulong ko in making our prototype. Now, as we go along, this is our first page sa aming prototype. As you can see, our prototype pala is not an application but a website prototype. So when you go to a Android browser or iOS browser or a desktop browser, ito yung makikita mo. No? So our restaurant is named Remy's 99. As you can see, ito yung aming paper prototype. Ito yung visual ng aming website. No? As you can see, bold letters yung aming Remy's 99 sa center ng ating screen. Then on the upward side ng site, we have the logo of Remy's. Then the menu, reservation, orders, feedback about. Then as all those millennials know, yung three line dito sa may bandang upper right is those menus. And then the scroll bar, and then the tagline sa baba ng Remix 99 table reservation and order online. Then buttons sa baba, lower part ng ating screen, order now or reserve a table. Yun yung mga function ng first page na ano natin, website. Next, we have prototype number 2. Same din, may logo, then taas. Then yung function ng 3 lines, pinakita lang namin dyan, menu, orders, feedback about, same as yung nakalagay dito. Pwede na, then, ano lang, ang pinakita lang namin dito, yung sequence between the first page. When you click that triple line box, ito yung lalabas. This, tawag dito, this, and this panel. Okay? Ayun. So, then afterwards, we have the and we have the website number 3. No. Ito naman when you click the order now, yung makikita natin dito sa first box, first page, ito to. When we see this, when we press this, ayan, ito yung kalalabasan niya. Okay? Ito yung lalabas. Meron magkakaroon ng as you can see, meron tayong toolbar sa taas ng website no, para medyo maging identical sa magiging website itself. Yan, lalabas yung panel natin right here. Like this one. To lalabas to. Then sunod na lalabas is itong pop-up tab na ito, which contains the image. Kaya hindi na namin nalagay kasi sad to say we don't have the artistic skill para makapag-drawing ng the chicken, the liempo, the pork chop. Sorry for that. So, basta image dito, image ng each viand and meals. Okay. The netizens can also press this tabs para mapunta sila dun sa mill A, sa mill B. Like for example, ito may mill dyan, mill A, na may nakalagay dyan mill B, no? May nakalagay dyan mill B sa taas, hindi lang masyadong makakita. Ayan, ito. Yan. So, ayan. Um, Next tayo, we have the prototype number 4. Ayan, meal A naman to, beef tapa, chicken, and then yung part naman na to, pag pinindot mo naman yung meal A, dito naman lalabas yung itong tab na to. Then, as usual, um, yung lalabas after mapindot to. Then, pag pinindot mo naman, kaya beef tapa, lalabas yung picture ng beef tapa rito. That's what the PNG is called, like picture. Then, may price, quantity, and then add to order. Yun. Yun yung simple na lang para sa mga Jollibee delivery apps, Food Panda apps. There are the app itself, pero yung amin is website naman. Okay, prototype number 5 tayo, same as the same as function as ng mga previous pages natin, no? Yun nga, wala kaming artistic skills to maintain the logo dito sa ano upper left ng ating screen. So we're sorry for that, no? But then again, same features pa rin tayo when we tag dito, when we press these tabs, ito naman yung lalabas for Silog Meals. Then, kasi yung sa Remy's, when we experience dining in there, no, may fixed, may fixed price ng Silog Meals. That's why meron ng 89 pesos right here. Doon naman sa Milby, before, um, like for example, dito sa Mill A, Mill B, ito, Mill letter B, wala pa silang fixed price unless you press it. No, kaya yun yung gagawin namin. Next yan, silog meals and then sizzling meals. We already skipped the beverages na for prototype number 7 ay naka-add-ons na tayo. Pare-pareho lang talaga sila ng function. That's why, ayun nga, we don't want to be redundant here. No, pero at the same time, we should grasp that our website is accessible by all those netizens. Sobrang simple lang niyang i-utilize. Yun yung gusto namin iparating. Next, we have the table reservation. When you press naman yung part na ito, yung reserve a table, ay ito naman yung lalabas. When you press the reserve table, ito yung lalabas. Okay? Itong prototype number 8. Ayan, tatanungin ka rito, um, the number of individuals, input dyan ng user if tawag rito kung dalawa ba sila or tatlo or so on. After that, nakalagay naman dyan yung icons each kung individual, time and date, no? Time dito pwedeng ilalagay and then the date kung kailan sila magpapa-reserve. When we say add note, ito yung icon ng add note, ito yung guideline. No, ang ilalagay naman dyan ng user is kung gusto nila window seat, kung round table yung gusto or ayun nga, kailangan ba nila ng babysitters, mga ganon. So, dito yan ilalagay sa add note para magkaroon tayo ng specification each reservation. Okay? So, yun yung prototype. Dun nagpo-focus yung prototype number 8. And then lastly, we have the prototype number 9. It is when the reservation was booked. No, may nakalagay dito sa ano, this will occur after the orders will be received, no, para isang anuhan na lang. Like for example, you ordered sizzling meal yempo, that quantity add to order, then you reserve a table, time and date, 'di ba? After that, once you place your order, add to order, then place it, ang mangyayari diyan, the Remix 99 restaurant would uh, get it kasama na yung reservation, booking na reservation nyo. So that would be so convenient for those people na gusto na lang kumain pagpunta sa isang restaurant. Okay? So, ayun, we are promoting here the tawag dito, yung proper utilization, yung hindi sobrang ah, technical niya gamitin na website or application. Hindi gano'n yung gusto namin iparating as a group. Gusto namin yung convenience na makukuha ng netizens and the users. No. So ayun, we run through. This would be the first appearance. Second appearance, lalabas yung menu, reservations, orders, feedback about the next when you order. Ito yung lalabas from meal B, meal A, seasoning meals, silog meals. And then add-ons, no, pwede yang ilagay and then lahat yan magagano sa cart. Then after that, you will have your table reservation kung doon kayo kakain, 'di ba? Para when you do that, punta na lang kayo sa restaurant, you will eat and you will have the most delicious time in Remy's 99. So, ayun po, it's very much yun lang talaga yung aming gustong maipamulat sa inyong mga viewers. Ayan. So, I'll stop sharing na and this is me, the leader of my group. No, I am Josh Aaron Magawa. Thank you for listening to me sa paper prototype presentation namin ng grupo. They all contributed sa materials and then gagawa nung papers, then I am the one responsible for having this presentation with y'all. So, yun lang for me for today. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day, everyone. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.